Low estrogen levels can affect your health and mood. But fortunately, there are things you can do to increase estrogen in your body. First, make sure you're eating a healthy, balanced diet so your endocrine system, which produces estrogen, is working properly. Moderate exercise is also important to stay healthy, but avoid excessive exercise since it can actually lower your estrogen levels. Being underweight can also reduce estrogen production, so make sure you're eating enough to maintain a healthy body weight. Soy products contain phytoestrogens, which mimic estrogen in the body and may help reduce symptoms of menopause. Talk to your doctor before incorporating phytoestrogens into your diet, since they may not be right for everyone. Some herbal supplements like chasteberry, black cohosh, evening primrose oil, and red clover may help increase estrogen levels. But talk to your doctor first, since herbal supplements can interfere with certain medications. If natural remedies aren't helping with your symptoms, talk to your doctor. They can test your estrogen levels and recommend the best treatment, which may include hormone replacement therapy.